Dude.
That party was awesome.
Dude, I am totally stoned. I think there was something in that bean dip.
It was good bean
Yeah,
dip.
man. Oh, man, we're going in. Oh, dude. Oh, who's that? Go check it out, man.
I think it's a vampire.
Dude. Yeah, it's a vampire.
Dude, this is vampire.
Dude, Gnarly!
Oh,
Yeah, you missed.
Yeah.
Try again.
Yeah.
Gnarly, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed it again. Whoa.
Did someone
Who's
say
that?
vampire?
Vampire. Yeah, right there.
I said vampire. Alright.
Dude,
Let me take a look at him.
he's an ugly guy. He smells funny.
Sure looks like a
Why?
vampire.
What the
I think
hell
he stopped by his
is
head
that?
until his foot's covered in
Smells
green.
like a vampire. Therefore, he must be a vampire.
How do you get rid of him?
Well, hang on. With these 6 simple steps, I'll teach you how.
He's snoring.
I'd like to stomp on his head until my foot's covered in green.
Alright. Step 1.
Vampires don't have any brains.
Well, in fact, actually, you'll need some things. And, we'll go through those.
Like a scroll with actual directions on it?
Yay! It's a GPS for killing vampires!
Okay, let's get started.
Okay.